Alright, I got my Influenster Flawless box today, and we're going to open it up together to see what's in it. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Oopsies. Come on. Alright, this is my Flawless Voxbox. Let's see. We have Harvest Snaps, slightly salted green pea crisps. Gluten-free, non-GMO. Not a bad thing. Alright. Ooh, I'm going to use this tonight. Dr. Teal's Epsom Salt Relax and Relief with Eucalyptus and Spearmint. It's a nice big container, too. Really excited about that. Alright. This is, CoverGirl So Lashy Blast Pro Mascara. Looks like a mace. Should be fun, though. Alright. And then Simple Cellar Cleansing Water removes makeup, unclogs pores. Just a little bitty sample, but that will be fun to try. Alright. Ooh, nail polish. Never a bad thing. This is Sinful Colors Professional in Miss Claus. That should be a really fun color, and obviously I need a new manicure, so we'll try this out next. And we have some Simple Cleansing Facial Wipes. I've been using their eye makeup remover wipes for a while already, so this should be fun to try. And then we have Bates. What is this? Access to all kinds of different things. Join free and get a $10 bonus. Fun. And then this is the Sinful Colors Kylie collection. Alright. And then what's in my Yogi envelope here? Ooh. $1 off coupon, and well-being begins on the inside. Skin detox and honey lavender stress relief. Goes good with the bath salts for sure. This looks like a really good spa day self-care box. Awesome. Well, I think that is everything. So there you go. That's my unboxing of my Voxbox Flawless box.